And if you wish, you can wait for some time more to give the tomatoes some time and then put this. I'll stir and also give it a few moments, a few time, about 5 minutes. Hello everyone, I'm Georgina Margaret. Today I'm cooking white rice and pork. For now I'm going to measure my rice, which is 2.5 cups. For those people who are here, we are 3. So we are going to eat rice with pork, and I'm starting. Since I don't have the measuring cups, I'll just use what is available for now. So for 2.5 cups, I use 5 cups of water for my rice. Now I'm going to place it on the heat as I continue preparing the ingredients which I will use to cook pork with it. And take the lid. I cover it so that it will go faster. And I take everything off. Take my chopping board. Start preparing the ingredients. Those are my ingredients. I'm started. I'm done with those. I'm just going to put them aside and proceed to this one. I'm done with preparing the ingredients, but for the dania when the pork is boiling, so I don't need to prepare it right now. I'm going to take my pork, wash it, and place it on the heat. Others usually don't wash the pork, but it's according to the way you are used to cook. As for me, I wash it first and then proceed to the next thing. I'm just preparing everything. Now I'm going to wash the rice. Just wash it several times. Now I'm done with the washing. I proceed to the gas to check on my stuffs, how they're doing. So as you can see, they're both not ready yet. So we should give it more time.
A few moments later.
As you can see, it's still boiling and there is few water, so we have to give it some few minutes. This water is ready now. I'm going to add some oil and salt. So since I don't have the measuring cups to measure my oil, I'm just going to use how I'm always using, because I'm used to cooking. To the oil, I add the salt. So the same applies to this one. Because I'm used to it, I'm not going to measure. But don't forget, measuring is the so as to get the accurate food, and which does not have much salt. Everything is accurate. You need to measure. Now I'm going to add the rice to the water.
When you're doing this, you need to be careful. And for the rest, I'm just going to take my spoon.
And then you stir it just a little bit, and then you cover it up, let it cook. Now the pork is ready. I'm going to proceed with the ingredients. I'm going to take my oil. And I put the onions and also give it few times so that it will turn to golden brown. And then later I will put the tomatoes. I'm going to stir it and give it a little bit of time. So as you can see, the onion a little bit turned to golden brown. Now I'm going to proceed to the tomatoes. And if you wish, you can wait for some time more to give the tomatoes some time and then put this. But me, I'm going to put them together as I am used to. I'll stir and also give it a few moments, a few time, about 5 minutes, and then come and see. Now I'm going to wash the chopping board and take my dhania, wash it and chop it. And I'm going to check on the pork. Now, as you can see, it's every ingredient is ready inside here. I'm going to add a little bit of water and let it boil.
Anakuanga na kamera person wake mrasta fulani anamfuata kila mahali.
So naenda kufunika niache boil. And then after it boils, the pork will be ready to be served. So I'm done. I'm done with the dhania. I'm also going to add it to the pork and give it up to 10 minutes. So I'm going to cover it and let it boil as I add the rice water to the rice. Now that's the final one. So naenda kuogoja ikauke and then it will be also ready. Now I have finished the setup. Now we are going to wait so that I may serve for 3 people, which I prepared. As you can see, everything is ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat. And proceed to cleaning, because after you've cooked, you must ensure mali umetumia umesafisha even before once is serving. Only the things that I've used for cooking: the chopping board, the plates, the jug, and also place the where they are supposed to be. Now the food is ready and I've served for 3 people. As you can see, it's here. And we are ready to eat. Acha tuhudumie tumbo yetu.
Tutasema bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay,
see you next time on the next video. Cooking another food which may be special than this one. Thank you.